everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have another really cool sketchbook, but this one's going to have some background noise because we have some students that are finishing their work in class. Hi, Catherine.
Heyo.
Catherine's work is phenomenal, and we have Anna's sketchbook today. So Anna, got to get Anna from the good view, right? Because look at all the garbage over there. It's crazy. But Anna, how are you?
I'm good.
Awesome. So when did you draw the sketchbook? Last semester?
Yeah, this is my second sketchbook from last semester.
Awesome. And what's your dream job?
I want to be either a storyboard artist or a character designer, something in that field.
Excellent, excellent. So let's flip through your sketchbook. So I'm going to title your sketchbook An Animator's Delight. Okay? Because your work has so much fluidity and the expressions are really fun to check out. So now each page, how long do you spend per page?
It sort of depends. Sometimes I can go really fast. Like figures like these will take maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, and then like things like this where I line them take a little longer, like 5 minutes.
Very nice.
These were just practicing lines for animation.
So you really love drawing expressions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But I like to do sort of studies like these. I did these from an old book of old Japanese illustrations.
Wow.
This one goes up.
Very nice. Wow, yeah, the expressions there. So this is going to be one of those, your sketchbook feels bigger for some reason.
I think this is an 8x11 sketchbook.
Okay, so it's slightly bigger than the 8x10s because normally I'm able to look over the phone, but this time I just got to look at the phone, so I can't really get close up to your drawings. But you definitely have a lot going on. So you're using all different, like pencil and pen?
Yeah, I like to use a range of media, but I like markers a lot, but I've been using them a little less.
Really?
Even though I love them, yeah.
So what is the one thing that you would say that you improved the most on in first semester?
Probably my line work. I used to be kind of like unfinished with my lines. Like here it's kind of there, but those are just like really quick things. But here I try to like close off the lines and make them a little smoother. And using the black Col-Erase pencil really pushes me to do that because I love black Col-Erase pencils.
Yeah, that's a great page. So much fun.
It's a lot of ink too. I like drawing in pen a lot because it forces me to be more careful.
Wow.
These were from Figure Drawing Club. I was using a marker.
And did you like that?
Yeah, Figure Drawing Club was really fun.
And that's at SVA?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It used to be every Thursday, but now it's every Tuesday night.
Wow. I'm jealous. I would love to be there. Excellent. And that's from there too? Mm-hmm. Oh, so you have some like models that act out poses?
Yeah. Oh, this one's kind of funky. I accidentally drew on this side.
Wow, very nice. Oh, okay, so you're doing
Turning.
full rotation. Thank you.
That was my fault for
That's
drawing
okay.
upside down.
Good.
Oh, backwards.
And that's like a 3-hour night?
Yeah, it's from 7 to 10.
Wow, that's so much fun. I used to teach at night and I miss that a little bit.
Yeah.
Excellent. So all clothed there.
Sometimes they're clothed, like they'll have different costumes. Like this time they had masks and they had sort of like old vintage clothing on. But some other nights they'll just have normal nude models.
Wow. It's funny how you say that in a sentence, normal nude. That's so funny.
Yeah.
In our class, it's normal nude.
It's good to practice with cloth though and fabric.
Absolutely. I think that's really important.
Because I really like drawing clothes, like sort of like the way.
Yeah, that's great. I love that. That page has a lot of energy.
Here I was drawing in Stuyvesant Park when it was fall.
So you've been doing like these types of characters pretty much your whole life, like in sketchbooks and at school and all that.
I just really like making characters because usually I'll just do little doodles of heads, but then I'll like flesh out a character that I really like.
That's
just
a cool
keep drawing.
page.
Yeah. This was for an animation that I didn't end up doing.
Wow.
And these are just sort of crazy stuff.
So yeah, no, this is why I like your sketchbook, because it has a lot of movement, a lot of funness to it, a lot of diversity, a lot of good things going on, and I love that. So you really don't like to work. That's another great fun page. Love that. What's the marker? Do you remember?
I think I used a micron and then a felt tip pen for like
Yeah.
the thicker lines around here,
Love it.
and then for the hair down here.
That's a really fun page. And then you're using the Col-Erase with that duck is phenomenal,
Yeah,
by the way.
this was in Central Park with my friends. We were just drawing ducks and turtles.
So you have the touch with the line with the Col-Erase. That's good to see that you're able to kind of do both. Now, you don't like doing any of the long stuff, right?
I do when I have patience and when I'm sort of like more relaxed. It's hard for me to kind of sit still. And I don't know if my art exhibits that, but
It has a lot of energy, your art, no doubt. But yeah, that's another great page with the Col-Erase brown. Is that the brown?
yeah, these were I don't know if they were Col-Erase, but they were colored pencils just because I love
I
drawing
see.
with colored pencils.
Silhouette day
Yeah.
or silhouette session. So you're doing front to back, and
Yeah.
I recommend not to do front to
Yeah.
back, but it just seems like you draw really fast.
Yeah, I remember when I first started drawing in sketchbooks, I would just draw like one page, but then blank spaces kind of irritate me just in my sketchbook, so I'm like, I gotta fill it in. But then,
Interesting.
yeah,
Wow.
sometimes I'm like, you know what, just leave that blank.
Yeah. Beautiful with the pencil. Got some good stuff on that page.
I like the pink Col-Erase, but it doesn't always show up really well.
Yeah, it's a challenge photographing your artwork. Like even with some of my favorite drawings that I've done with the Col-Erase, they're so light and I can't even photograph them, and then I try to post-production adjust them, and it's awful.
Yeah. Like here, it's really light.
Yeah. Excellent.
This
Stupid
is where
Stupid animators.
that's my friend. She's an illustration student.
Oh, that's hilarious.
She was just messing around with us.
It almost reminds me of like that cereal commercial, Stupid Animators, Tricks Are for Kids.
This was a character I did for a walking animation, and then I just did little doodles of him because I love him.
That's funny. Good stuff. Great figure.
Yeah, that was sort of just like trying to come up with a figure in my mind and make it a little less cartoony than I usually make figures.
So this is like Animator's delight. I mean, all the characters are fun. So when you first decided to come to the School of Visual Arts, did you ever think about the cartooning department as well?
I thought about it, but
Wow, that's a nice page.
I like comics, but I'm so much more passionate about animation and working in that field that I thought, you know, animation is what I really want to do. And even if I don't become an animator, if I don't become a storyboard artist or character designer, I might want to direct animation
Right.
because I'm just so passionate about it.
Yeah.
And I want to see, you know, great stuff come out of the medium, of the genre, I guess.
Who's your favorite role model artist?
I really like Al Hirschfeld, like the old cartoonist. Just his lines are so great.
Yeah.
And how he could do that with a pen, and they really influenced me. And there's this Hungarian painter / animator who I really like, who's kind of obscure. His name is Kovasny Georgi. I don't know if I said that right, but
That was pretty good.
his stuff is really crazy, and I love it. And he's more of a painter, but his style is just very fluid, and it has a wide range of like looks to it,
Interesting.
which kind of goes into my art. And then this is another figure drawing night. These were like 1 minute.
Wow.
Yeah, this one out. They're a little light, but
Yeah. Just push it towards me just a little bit.
okay, yeah.
Excellent, thank you.
I really liked how this one turned
Yeah,
out.
me too. That has a lot of nice flow to it. Good.
kept going sideways.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I usually only go to figure drawing night when we don't have like very long figure drawing days in this class.
Mm-hmm.
Like this week I was gonna go, but then I took a nap instead.
So you like the figure drawing in here. It's not something that
Yeah.
you tolerate.
I love figure drawing because I never really got to do it on my own.
Mm-hmm.
And I probably could have just looked up pictures when I was younger, but no.
It's drawn from life. You can't
Yeah.
replace that practice. It's the best.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody has a website with photos online, and it's the next best thing. I get it if you can't get to a life drawing class, but there's nothing that replaces life drawing.
Yeah, definitely.
Lots of energy, lots of cool character shapes. Wow.
Me and my friends were watching old stop
That's
motion
one of my
cartoons.
favorite ones.
Rudolph.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite ones. I like that one so much with the heat miser.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, I don't know, but it was so. That was when I was growing up.
I draw a lot of Simpsons.
Cool. Great with the blue pencil. Love it.
Yeah, I think the blue and the red are my favorite Col-Erase next to the black.
Yeah, I used to draw just with the blue.
I think I did this for the 2-point perspective, but it was really, I went through the whole page instead of just into it a little more.
A little bit of a cycle.
This is I used to play rugby, so I just wanted to draw like a girl running with a rugby ball.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's insane. Did you ever get hurt?
Yeah. During my last game, I got hit really hard, and I thought I had a concussion, but I was okay.
Oh my God, did you ever get like the wind knocked out of you?
Yes,
Like,
definitely.
Holy.
It's a tough sport, but
Yeah.
it's so much fun. A lot of high energy.
Absolutely. There's a lot of little gems in this sketchbook. I mean, there's a lot of beautiful like little poses and line work and excellent. So this, you finished it on time within the 8-week, 7-week period?
I think I finished it a couple days before it was due.
I mean, there's a lot in here. That's pretty nuts.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see the pink.
It is, no doubt. I was just looking through my phone to make sure we see it.
I feel bad because I got frustrated with the 4-point perspective.
Yeah, we're gonna do that again when you guys get back from spring break.
Yeah, I really want to learn it just so I can get it down.
Yeah, I use it extremely loosely. It's not one of those things that you use it to its completion, because the body just moves in so many different ways that it's hard to, like when you draw a square table, it's synthetic, but you know, organic poses don't always line up perfectly, but parts of the pose do.
This is like really where I like my lines to be like.
Very nice.
And these were just the last couple pages where I was filling in stuff, pages really quickly.
Yeah. Excellent.
I think I have a couple more. Yeah.
I like that little one.
This
Love
this was in another sketchbook, and then I just tore it out because I wasn't really using that sketchbook anymore.
Cool. So now you want to show us just, or flip through a couple of pages because we're almost at 15 minutes. So we'll flip through a couple of pages in your other one.
Yeah, this is my current one that I'm using. I like the first page. This was a study from a French painter that I really like. I think it's Chagall or...
Chagall?
Yeah, I might be another French artist that I'm mixing it up with, but I really like the way it looked. And then that's me
Very nice.
drinking bubble tea.
I
Some
can't do
pigs.
the bubble tea.
I love it.
A student bought it for me once and I just couldn't do it.
Yeah, it's kind of an acquired taste, but I just like this page. 'Cause of the,
Me too. That's a nice one.
and then this page with the funky. I love tearing things out of. I'll draw stuff on animation paper and then I just want to stick it in my sketchbook.
Wow.
And that's
All right.
it.
All right, Anna, thank you so much for sharing. I really do appreciate it. And we'll look forward to your next one, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you got it. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.